It's an aperitif, which is great for before dinner. Hey, you beautiful people out there. How are you? It's Kevin again. So, it's 5 o'clock here in Southern California. Actually, it's 5 o'clock somewhere at any given time. And you know what? I'm kind of craving a cocktail before my dinner. And I'm going to make one of my favorites. It's called a Negroni. It's a very big cocktail in Italy. I had several when I was in Italy. And it's become very, very popular here in the States now. And I love it because it's, first of all, it's simple to make. Second of all, it's delicious. And third, it's a great aperitif. And an aperitif gets your appetite excited. It gets it ready for your dinner. So it's a great pre-dinner cocktail. So you just need kind of a regular bucket glass here. And you fill it up with some ice. That should do it about right there. And then you need your jigger, which I told you about, and you're going for the 1 ounce. So you need 1 ounce of 3 ingredients. One is gin, 1 ounce of gin. Just pour that in right into the glass. And then you need Campari, which is a very bitter liqueur, absolutely delicious if it's balanced with something sweet. So you want 1 ounce of the Campari. And then you want 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. I'm using Dolin today, but you can use any kind of sweet vermouth, and this will offset the bitterness of the Campari. So you want 1 ounce of sweet vermouth like that, and that's basically it. All you want to do now is just get a spoon, stir it up like this, all right? Get it all nice and happy in there, and then you want to garnish it with a half of an orange slice. You just put it right in there. And I'll tell you what, that is really good. Oh man, that is so good because it's the bitterness of the Campari, which is offset with the sweetness of that beautiful sweet vermouth, and then the gin kind of just gets in there and gives it a zing. It's so refreshing, and again, like I said, it opens up your palate, it gets your stomach ready for a good dinner. That's one of my favorites. So make one, try it, enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions and what you think about it. You know, keep me posted. Anyway, till next time.